My name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our absolutely stunning 2009 59 BMW 120 diesel M Sport Coupe. It's in sapphire black metallic, and as you can see in the film, it's absolutely stunning. It's one private keeper from new, covered a mere 23,000 miles. It does benefit from a full service history and a few nice options. It does have the upgrade 18-inch double spoke M alloys and an excellent set of tyres all the way around. We've had it fully serviced, and we're just going to look in a moment through the driver's window. It does have the upgrade full coral red Boston leather interior, and it's got the dark poplar wood trim as well. It's got the climate control, it's got the auxiliary in, and the multi-function steering wheel. As I said a moment ago, we've had the car fully serviced, and we've also fitted new discs and pads front and rear. It's got a brand new battery, and we've had an oil filter service done and a microfilter change as well. Also benefits from a fresh MOT which we had carried out while the car was being serviced. Hopefully you're picking up in the video the outstanding condition of this vehicle. You can see it has the factory fitted rear privacy glass. We've had the car 3-stage machine polished, and the car has been fully hand waxed. Just hopefully you can see how stunning this is. We're just picking up on the film. It also has the rear parking sensors as well as an option on the car. As I said earlier, lovely mileage, 23,000 miles on one private keeper. It also benefits from 6 months RAC Gold warranty and 12 months complimentary RAC membership, which also includes home start recovery and roadside assistance. But you can see in the video there the brand new discs and pads. All the alloy wheels are totally unmarked and in outstanding condition, which you should be picking up in the film as we move around. Just going to look in through the passenger window here. As I said earlier, it's got climate control, and it does have the uprated full Boston coral red leather upholstery, which yet again is in lovely condition. Really a nice car, this one, not to be missed. Not going to find them around with these miles, and with the automatic gearbox, the upgrade 18-inch alloy wheels rather than the standard 17s, having the parking sensors, the privacy glass and the coral rod leather, and as I said, fully prepared as well with new discs and pads front and rear, new MOT and fully serviced. Please do come and have a look, pick the phone up, give me a call. You won't be disappointed. This is one truly stunning car. I'll let you just enjoy the rest of the film.